Hello everyone, and welcome back to Super Rare Coins. Today's video is very special because we are going to explore the top 6 rare and collectible coins that every coin lover should know about. These coins may look small and ordinary, but they carry powerful history, unique mint marks, and surprising market value in US dollars. Some of these coins come from important historical periods, while others are becoming rare due to collector demand. So stay with us till the end, because one of these coins might already be hiding in your collection and could be worth big money today. Top 1. The 10 Pfennig coin was part of Germany's everyday currency before the introduction of the euro in 2002. In 1979, Germany was one of the strongest economies in Europe, and these coins were widely used for daily transactions, such as public transport, newspapers, and small shopping. The D Mint mark represents the Munich Mint, one of Germany's official mints. Coins from different mints were produced in large numbers, but today, finding them in collectible condition is becoming harder. Year by year design details. Obverse side displays the value 10 Pfennig surrounded by oak leaves, a symbol of strength, stability, and German heritage. Clean and simple design reflecting German precision. Reverse side shows the German eagle, a national symbol of authority and unity. The year 1979 clearly visible. The D Mint mark confirms it was struck in Munich. This coin is in dusty fine circulated condition, which means visible wear from circulation. Major design details are still clear. Natural aging adds character for collectors. No major damage or bending for many collectors. Circulated coins are valuable because they represent real historical usage. Now, let's talk about the most important part: market value. Common circulated examples usually sell for a few dollars. Coins with clear details and readable mint marks can attract higher interest. Error coins, die varieties, or better condition pieces may sell for significantly higher prices. Value also depends on global demand, coin condition, seller platform, collector interest. Remember, coin prices change with time, so always check recent auction results. Historical significance. D Mint mark identification, affordable entry for beginners. Growing interest in European coins. This makes the 10 Pfennig 1979 D a great addition to any world coin collection. If you own this coin, store it in a coin flip or capsule. Avoid cleaning the coin. Keep it away from moisture. Label it with year, mint mark, and condition. Proper care helps maintain its long-term value. Conclusion. The 10 Pfennig 1979 D Mint mark may be small in size, but it holds big historical importance. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced collector, this coin is worth keeping an eye on. Top 2. The 10 Pfennig was a key part of daily life in Germany before the Euro era. In 1980, Germany was a major economic power in Europe, and millions of these coins were used every day for transportation, food, and basic shopping. The D Mint mark tells us this coin was produced at the Munich Mint, one of Germany's official mints. Each mint produced slightly different quantities, and today collectors often search for specific mint marks to complete their sets. Obverse side shows the value 10 Pfennig decorated with oak leaves, symbolizing strength, endurance, and German tradition. Simple but elegant design typical of German coins. Reverse side features the German eagle. Year 1980 clearly visible. D Mint mark confirms Munich origin. Clean and balanced layout. This coin is in dusty fine circulated condition, which means light to moderate wear from circulation. Main design details still visible. Natural toning and dust from age. No heavy scratches or major damage. Many collectors appreciate circulated coins because they reflect real historical use. Now, let's talk about the market value. Common circulated examples usually sell for a few dollars. Coins with clear mint marks and better eye appeal may sell for higher prices. Coins with errors, rare varieties, or higher grades can reach much higher values. Market value depends on condition, collector demand, coin platform, or auction site. Global interest in pre-Euro coins. Always remember, Coin prices change over time. D-Mint mark from Munich, affordable for beginner collectors. Increasing interest in European coins. This makes the 10 Pfennig 1980 D a good long-term collectible. Do not clean the coin. Store it in a protective holder. Keep it dry and away from moisture. Label the coin with year and mint mark. Proper storage helps protect value. Conclusion: the 10 Pfennig 1980 with D-Mint mark may be small, but it represents an important time in German history for collectors of world coins and pre-Euro currency. This piece deserves attention. Top 3. In 1982, Germany was one of the strongest economies in Europe. The Deutsche Mark was trusted worldwide, and coins like the 10 Pfennig played an important role in everyday life. The F-Mint mark represents the Stuttgart Mint, one of Germany's official mints. Each mint produced coins in different quantities, and today collectors actively search for specific mint marks. To complete full-year sets, obverse side displays the denomination 10 Pfennig surrounded by oak leaves. Oak leaves symbolize strength, unity, and German heritage. Reverse side features the iconic German eagle. Shows the year 1982 clearly marked with the F-Mint mark. Clean, balanced, national design. This coin is in dusty, fine, circulated condition, meaning noticeable wear from circulation. Important design details still visible. Natural aging and surface dust. No major bends or heavy damage. Many collectors value circulated coins because they represent real historical usage. Now, let's discuss the market value. Common circulated examples usually sell for a few US. Coins with strong details and clear mint marks may sell for higher prices. Error coins, rare varieties, or better grades can reach much higher values. Value depends on condition. Mint mark demand, collector interest. Market trends. Always check recent auctions for updated prices. Historical Deutsche Mark currency. F-Mint mark from Stuttgart, affordable and beginner-friendly. Rising interest in European coins. Never clean the coin. Store it in a coin flip or capsule. Keep away from moisture and chemicals. Label with year and mint mark. Conclusion: the 10 Pfennig 1982 F-Mint mark is a small but meaningful coin that reflects Germany's economic strength before the Euro era. For world coin collectors, this coin remains an interesting and collectible piece. Top 4. The year 1988 was just before major changes in Europe. Germany was still divided, and the Deutsche Mark represented economic stability and strength. The 5 Pfennig was commonly used in everyday transactions, such as public transport, local shops, and vending machines. The F-Mint mark indicates the coin was struck at the Stuttgart Mint. One of Germany's official mints. Coins from this era are popular among collectors because they reflect pre-unification German history. Obverse side shows the denomination 5 Pfennig decorated with oak leaves. Oak leaves symbolize strength, tradition, and endurance. Reverse side displays the German federal eagle. Year 1988, clearly visible F-Mint mark below the eagle. Strong national design. This coin is in dusty, fine, circulated condition, meaning moderate circulation where important design details remain visible. Natural dust and aging on the surface. No major damage or bending. Circulated coins like this tell the story of real daily use. Now let's discuss the market value. Most circulated examples sell for a few US. Coins with better eye appeal or less wear may sell for higher prices. Error coins or rare varieties can be worth significantly more value. Depends on condition. Mint mark demand, collector interest, current coin market trends. Always check recent auction results for accurate values. Part of the Deutsche Mark era. F-Mint mark from Stuttgart. Affordable for beginner collectors. Increasing interest in historical European coins. Never clean the coin. Store it in a coin holder or flip. Avoid moisture and direct sunlight. Label it with year and mint mark. Conclusion: the 5 Pfennig 1988 F-Mint mark may be small in size, but it carries strong historical meaning from Germany's pre-unification era. For world coin collectors, This coin is a simple yet valuable piece of history. Top 5. The year 1993 is very important in German coin history by this time. Germany was reunited, and the country was preparing for the future introduction of the euro currency. The 5 Pfennig was still widely used in daily transactions, such as public transport, newspapers, and small purchases. The F-Mint mark shows that this coin was struck at the Stuttgart Mint, one of Germany's 5 official mints. Obverse side displays the value 5 Pfennig, decorated with oak. Leaves represent strength, unity, and German tradition. Reverse side shows the German Federal Eagle year, 1993, clearly visible. F-Mint mark confirms Stuttgart production. National and simple design. This coin is in dusty fine circulated condition, which means visible circulation wear. Major design details still readable. Natural aging and dust on the surface. No major damage or bends. Such circulated coins tell the story of real everyday use. Now, let's talk about market value. Common circulated examples usually sell for a few US. Coins with clean details and strong mint marks may sell for more. Error coins or high-grade examples can be worth significantly more. Market value depends on condition. Mint mark demand. Collector interest. Coin market trends. Always check updated auction prices for accurate value. Represents post-reunification Germany. F-Mint mark from Stuttgart. Affordable for beginner collectors. Growing interest in pre-Euro German coins. Never clean the coin. Store it in a protective holder. Avoid moisture and heat. Label the coin clearly. Conclusion: the 5 Pfennig 1993 F-Mint mark may be small, but it carries historical importance as part of Germany's final Pfennig era. For collectors of world coins, this is a meaningful and collectible piece. Top 6. By 1995, Germany had already reunited and was moving steadily toward the introduction of the euro, which officially replaced the Deutsche Mark in 2002. The 5 Pfennig was still used in everyday life for small purchases, such as newspapers, public transport, and local markets. The D-Mint mark shows this coin was produced at the Munich Mint, one of Germany's most active mints. Obverse side shows the denomination 5 Pfennig, surrounded by oak. Leaves symbolize strength, tradition, and national unity. Reverse side features the German Federal Eagle, displays the year 1995. Clearly marked D-Mint mark. Simple, strong national design. This coin is in dusty fine circulated condition, which means moderate wear from circulation. Main design details are still visible. Natural dust and aging on the surface. No major damage or deep scratches. Circulated coins like this reflect real history and daily use. Now, let's discuss the market value. Typical circulated examples sell for a few US. Coins with strong eye appeal and clear mint marks may sell for higher prices. Error coins, rare varieties, or higher grade pieces can be worth significantly more. Value depends on condition. Mint mark demand. Collector interest. Current coin market trends. Prices can change, so always check recent sales. Pre-Euro historical currency. D-Mint mark from Munich. Affordable and ideal for beginner collectors. Growing interest in European coins. Never clean the coin. Store it in a coin flip or capsule. Keep it dry and protected. Label it with year and mint mark. Conclusion: the 5 Pfennig 1995 D-Mint mark may be small in size, but it carries big historical value as part of Germany's final Pfennig era. For collectors of world coins, this is a simple yet meaningful addition. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Super Rare Coins. Comment below and tell us, do you own this coin or plan to collect it? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next rare coin video.